Okay, so I bought this run chicken door. It's supposed to go up automatically in the morning and close at night. I'm gonna put it right here in this chicken pen for my chickens. I'll let you know how it goes. I'll try to get a video of it all during the process. Okay, so here is the door installed. Not too shabby. So we'll see how long it'll last. It is made out of aluminum or steel or something. It's pretty durable. So we'll try it out. If you're interested in purchasing the Run Chicken Door, you can check out the link below, and it's on Amazon. It's a pretty good product.